If you want your auto repair shop to stand out in local searches, it's time to take control of your Google Map Pack presence. It's not just about showing up, it's about being the shop everyone trusts and chooses first. Start by making sure your business name matches exactly across your sign, website, and paperwork. Consistency builds trust with both Google and your customers. Next, pick the right primary category like auto repair shop and add specific services you offer, from brake repairs to AC recharge. Don't forget to use natural, local language in your profile description to connect with nearby drivers. Update your business attributes, like wheelchair accessibility or veteran-owned status, to show what makes your shop unique. Post fresh photos every week and use the Updates tab to share offers or seasonal tips. Answer common questions in the Q&A section and keep your info consistent across all directories. These steps help your shop rise to the top and keep your bays full.
Please share and like. It helps us get the word out and makes the algorithm really happy. Check us out at advertisemybusiness.com.